ready to send money overseas with ease. Let's dive into making a wire transfer with Xoom. First, log into your Xoom account on the main screen. You'll see various sending options. Select Wire Transfer to begin. Enter the exact amount you wish to send, and then specify the destination country. And the currency the recipient needs. Xoom will show you the exchange rate and estimated fees upfront. Now, you'll need the recipient's full bank details. This includes their full name as it appears on their bank account, the name of their bank account number, and importantly, their SWIFT or BIC code. Double-check this information for accuracy. Next, choose how you'll fund the transfer. Xoom offers options like direct bank account funding, or using a debit or credit card. Select your preferred method. Before you finalize, Xoom will present a summary screen. Review all the details carefully: the amount being sent, any applicable fees, the recipient's information, and your chosen payment method. Ensure everything is correct. Once you confirm, your wire transfer is initiated. You'll receive a confirmation with a tracking number. You can use this number to monitor the progress of your transfer, and your recipient will get the funds directly into their bank account, typically within 1 to 3 business days.